Notwithstanding its tasty flavor and flexibility, be that as it may, the tamarind organic product additionally accompanies a not insignificant rundown of potential medical advantages. In this video, you will take in more about tamarind nourishment realities, medical advantages, and sound formulas. Commonly, tamarinds are mistaken for vegetables as a result of their darker shell and case-like shape. Yet, actually this organic product, in spite of the fact that it's not known, has a few medical advantages because of its nutritious esteem. Aside from its vitamins, cell reinforcements, and natural exacerbates, the tamarind has calming and antibacterial properties. Eating this natural product can fortify your cardiovascular, circulatory, stomach-related, apprehensive, and resistant frameworks. In the present video we will clarify how your body can profit by a normal utilization of this natural product. They enhance digestion. Do you have an inclination that your digestion takes too long? Or then again perhaps you're experiencing considerable difficulties utilizing the bathroom. Tamarinds can help. The filaments introduced in them make your solid discharges easier. Furthermore, they fortify the gastric juice and bile, enhancing the nourishment digestion process. As mind-blowing as it might appear, this organic product is thought to be a characteristic purgative also, us used to treat endless looseness of the bowels. They add to our heart's well-being. Aside from adding to the bringing down of high circulatory strain and lessening of cholesterol, tamarinds are rich in potassium and vitamin C supplements that are useful for your heart. Altogether, to get these advantages, all you require is a modest bunch of tamarind leaves and water. Heat up the water in a pot. Next, include the leaves and let it bubble for 3 more minutes. Once that is done, let the blend cool. Drink the tea for the duration of the day. They forestall anemia. You've most likely effectively heard that tamarinds are extraordinary at enhancing anemia since they help your circulatory framework. With the perfect measures of iron in your blood, we ensure that you will have a satisfactory measure of red platelets, the cells that are in charge of oxygen course. Weight reduction. One of the fundamental characteristics of this organic product is its capacity to help in weight reduction. Since it's rich in fiber, it kills the fats in the nourishment we eat and keep us full for more. Besides, tamarinds have hydroxycitric corrosive which restrains a compound that stores fat. You can match this formula with an adjusted eating regimen and exercise, keeping in mind the end goal to quicken weight reduction. Fixings. 1 cut of pineapple, half of a little papaya, a large portion of some tamarind juice. Guideline. Mix everything together. You should savor this the morning. They control diabetes. Keep in mind the HCA, the corrosive we just discussed. That same corrosive can constrain the measure of sugars that your body assimilates and transforms into fat and sugar. This is incredible for anybody with diabetes since it keeps your glucose levels under control. So as to get the best outcomes, eat a few tamarinds 3 times each week. They're a strong calming. You may not know, but rather tamarinds are utilized as a part of a few natural pharmaceuticals around the globe. Due to their mitigating activity, they can be utilized to treat eye diseases, gout, joint pain, and rheumatic conditions. They support your resistant framework. Aside from being awesome for the resistant framework due to the vitamin C they contain, tamarinds have disinfectant and antimicrobial properties. In an investigation performed in Brazil, tamarinds demonstrated to act emphatically against all microorganisms tried, including the absolute most basic operators in nourishment diseases, Salmonella, and E. coli. Their seeds are additionally used to dispose of worms. They help with liver issues. Tamarinds have properties that secure and flush our liver. It's extraordinary at treating bile issues and diminishing liver fat. Here is a decent method to expend tamarinds. Fixings. 100 grams of peeled tamarind, 1 liter of water. Guideline. Mix the tamarind and some water. The outcome will be a thick juice. After that, mix it once more, including whatever is left of the water. Drink this blend for the duration of the day, separating it into 3 dosages. To complement this refreshment, keep up a characteristic eating routine, rich in vegetables, and keep away from mixed drinks. What's more, handled nourishments. Hair loss. Tamarinds are additionally generally utilized as a part of home solutions for battle hair loss. Do the accompanying, boil some peeled tamarinds. Sit tight for them to cool and apply the blend to your scalp, kneading delicately with your fingertips. From that point forward, let it sit for 60 minutes. At that point, wash with cool water. Rehash the procedure 3 times each week.